Who would love to have extra money? Who would love to have extra money? If you say no, that means something is wrong. Because Allah said, by default, we love wealth. And many people think that if you love wealth, something is wrong. No, as long as you earn the money from halal sources and you spend it on halal means, right? And you give your due zakat, Allahu Akbar. This is the best thing you could ever have, right? Or one of the ways that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to increase our wealth. Should you discuss it today or next week? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a dua that already has been accepted and answered by Allah Azza wa Jal. Sakhr al-Ghamidi. Sakhr al-Ghamidi is one of the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allahumma barik li ummati fi bukuriha. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made dua, Ya Allah, put barakah in my ummah, the one that starts their day early. Now this barakah is one of those words that you do not have exact one word translation. It's one of these words that have a blessing in it. You know, what does barakah mean? It is divine blessing where Allah put an increase in quantity and quality in something or in someone in unseen ways. This is what barakah means. So Rasulullah said, made the dua. He made the dua, Ya Allah, put barakah in the ummah that starts, in my ummah, that starts their day early. Now this barakah, one of the things that this barakah could be in is in my wealth. And that's why the narrator of the hadith, the one who was narrating the hadith, commented, so Sakhr used to start his day early doing business because he was a tajir, he was a merchant and became thari, he became very rich. And he commented also and said that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he used to send his expeditions and army early in the morning for the battles to get that barakah. So the barakah that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made dua for is already there. It is us that we have to take advantage in it so we can get the barakah. The doctor will get his barakah in his surgeries, barakah in your thoughts, barakah in your decisions, barakah in your exams, barakah in everything that you do in that day if you start the day early. If you start the day early. And ask anybody who starts his day early. If someone starts his day early, you would find out that by 9 a.m. they have achieved so much than a guy who starts his day at 10, 11 a.m. He will find that the same time, the guy took him 2 hours to finish the whole thing. The other guy will take him 6 to 7 hours to do probably half of what the first person did. So the point is, Rasulullah ﷺ made dua of barakah. The dua is there, the dua is being answered. I want, just like Sakhr, I want to be from the people who got the effect of this dua. How? By starting my day early. By starting my day early. And what a better way to start the day than starting it with the Fajr prayer. Can you imagine starting your day by coming to the house of Allah? The barakah that will be on that day, wallahi, the minute you start getting addicted to praying Fajr in Jama'ah, you will never be able to stop. Ask any person who pray Fajr in Jama'ah and tell him what happens to your day when you miss Fajr in Jama'ah. Ask them. Look or go search on Google, what are the benefits of starting your day early from a secular perspective? Enhances productivity, improves the brain, decreases depression. Many benefits of starting the day early done by non-Muslim studies. And we all know Anytime you ask or interview a very famous, successful businessman or anything, one of the main things they have in common, we start our day early. We start our day early. Listen to this. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ركعتا الفجر خير, not from $500, من الدنيا وما فيها. 2 rak'ah of the sunnah of Fajr, not the fard. The fard, forget it. It's something we cannot handle. The two rak'ah of sunnah of Fajr is better than the whole dunya and everything in it. Not 500, not 10,000, not 5 billion. All the dunya with all its mountains and diamonds and gold and cash, and the 2 rak'ah of sunnah of Fajr. Can you imagine the fard? Can you imagine the fard? So, Rasulullah ﷺ, I will end with this. He said, the most beloved salat to Allah. Allahu Akbar. Your heart should be trembling already. The most beloved salat to Allah is Salat al-Fajr of Jumu'ah in Jama'ah. The next salat. The most beloved salat to Allah is Salat al-Fajr of Jumu'ah, tomorrow, in Jama'ah. See you all tomorrow at 6:30. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.